is about where all this IoT is used. So today we will see how IoT is used in homes. Okay, so this much we will complete. That is how IoT is used in home automation. You might be seen, no, in homes you might be using some fans and all which are controlled by mobiles or some other thing. So we will be studying about the home automation. So in home automation, for example, in this book we have, that is smart lighting, smart appliances, intrusion detection, and smoke for gas detector. So I have shared all the contents also. So after the class, you start solving the this quiz. Okay, quiz answer is there only. At least you will get a hold of that. These days, what you people are doing? Studying for third sem or fourth sem? Yes, you people are studying for third sem or fourth sem these days. Okay, so we had seen last to last week where all it is used. IoT application, that is homes we can use, cities we can use, environment, energy system, retail, logistic, industry, agriculture, health and lifestyle. So we'll see how it is used in so is the screen visible to you? Yes. So we'll see how the IoT can be used for in homes. In homes, we can use it for smart lighting. Can anyone tell what is smart lighting? Yes. How we can use, how we can make your existing light smart? Can anyone tell? Yes. You're able to hear, right? So we are just discussing some of the application of IoT. I had shared you some videos also. Okay. So can anyone tell how we can use this IoT for lighting? Yes. The people are there, no? Yes. How we can use it for lighting? What is lighting? You have some tube lights in at home. Okay. So how we can use lights smartly using IoT? Now how you will on your lights? Yes. How you will control
Some
your
buttons,
lights now? Yes.
switches.
Yeah, some switches is there. Okay. You'll on or max, you'll be so lazy, you'll tell someone to on the switch, on the fan, okay, or on the light. You'll be sitting with mobiles, right, all the time. Yes or no? So this is very helpful for you, smart lighting for people, lazy people like you. Yes. So how we can use what this is smart lighting is, how it can be, yes, how IoT has made lightning smarter.
Ma'am, when we enter
Just remote
to
control,
room,
ma'am.
then it automatically
Yeah,
on.
one thing you can do is when you enter the room, okay, the light should automatically on, and when someone leaves, it should off. That is one thing, okay. Or you can have control in mobile, okay. That is when you want to go, you only can manually on and off. There, like that also you can use. Third type of smart lighting is based on ambient lightning. Ambient light, you know, any idea what do you mean by based on lighting condition of a room? Okay, so based on lighting condition of room, like it is now enough light is there in the room. Okay, there will be some sensors which will detect when the light is less, what will happen? Automatically light will on, and when the light is more, what will happen? Automatically your lights will off. Or you can set you can make, you can set also, there will be option, maybe you may try that is you might configure, that is when is your sleeping time, when is your waking up time. So when you are sleeping, automatically maybe you'll set 10 o'clock, automatically the lights will switch off. Whereas when you are getting up, it will maybe 6 o'clock you have set up, you want light on, like that also you can make your light. So like this we can make your light smarter. That is one is what Kavya said. When you enter the room, on it, otherwise off it. Okay, this will be very helpful. Where can you tell? In homes also it is useful, but in mostly in ATMs it will be very useful, because all the time otherwise lights will and fans will be on. What will happen? More electricity bill will come. So instead of that, when a person enters, let you can on it, otherwise the system can off it. Another thing is, through mobile you can manually on and off, okay, instead of getting up each time. And third thing is based on the ambient light, that is how much light is there in your room, you can on and off the lights. Getting this? Yes or no? You people are there or?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So that is about smart lightning. Okay, one way we can use it. Second way where we can use it is smart appliances. So which are your appliances in your homes? Which all appliances you use at home? You might be using TVs, okay,
Fans.
refrigerators, okay. Fans and all are not appliances, okay.
Oh.
Appliances are like TV, fridge, okay, washing machine, your music system, okay, dryers. Yes, I think you will be using more TVs these days, okay, fridge also, yes, and
Yes,
washing
ma'am.
machine your parents might be using, yes. So how to make a TV smart? Anyone has smart TV?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you can connect to internet and use all the application of internet, or you can make it
Yes, ma'am.
automatically
This is
on the song. You can make the settings which it will on the songs at this time, or on the channel this time. Okay, if your TV is at the high end, this, then it will only on when you want. It will only off. Okay, and it will what based on some TVs are so smart. Okay, it will, you will be having a sensor on your body. Based on that, it will understand your mood. Based on your mood, it will play the song or it will on the channel. Okay, it will be all tracking you, and it will be trying to understand that sensor. So based on that, that also can be done. Refrigerator, how we can make a fridge smart? Can anyone tell how to make a fridge smarter? How we can make fridge smarter? You have a refrigerator, right? Yes or no? In that you might be having your eggs, apple or tomatoes or something. Okay. So maybe each item will have RFID tag. So you know about RFID tag, right? Yes or no? That tag will be connected to your IoT system. So it will understand how many eggs you have in your fridge, okay, how many apples you have in fridge, and also it will learn. Maybe for a week you will use 1 dozen of eggs, 1 dozen of apples, okay. So maybe it will see, maybe only one egg is remaining. So automatically your it can, if it is connected to Amazon or something, some grocery app, automatically it will pay online. Some Alexa and all will be there. If you tell also, they will automatically do shopping for you. Or if it is fully automatic, then what will happen? It will only see what is there, what is not there, and it will start ordering. Okay, that is nothing but smart refrigerator. Okay, then we can use in music system also, that is based on your mood, your music can on and off. Okay, in this also, washing machine also. How we can make washing machine smarter? Can anyone tell? Yes? Can anyone tell how to make washing machine smarter? Yes? So maybe you will control via mobile to on or off. Or maybe you will be putting the clothes in washing machine, and it should understand when clothes are full on the machine. Okay, and after washing, alert the user. Okay, now they're not so smart that they'll only put for drying. Maybe in future it will come. Okay, maybe after washing the clothes, they will give you a message saying your clothes has been washed successfully. You can take it and dry it. Okay, so like that we can use it IoT in the smart applications also. Sorry, in smart appliances. And third one is intrusion detection. Can you tell me what is intrusion detection? Yes. What is intrusion detection? Yes. Intrusion means abnormal activity. So when in your home, when you can tell there is abnormal activity at your home, yes, if robbers come or someone try to rob, maybe you're sleeping at home, okay? Some robber is coming, then you can have some security cameras and sensors which will detect the intrusion and raise alert. It can give a alarm, or maybe you're out of station, okay? And someone has entered your home, so cameras will detect, or some irregular activity it is detect, and it can give you SMS or email to user or police. Okay, like this we can use the things in intrusion detection also. And last thing where IoT can be used is smoke or gas detector. So what is smoke and gas detector? Can anyone tell? Yes. What is smoke or gas detector? And why we should detect smoke or gas? If it will not detect, what will happen? Yes. We don't.
Gas will be burning now, ma'am.
Yeah, it will burn. Yes, if you don't detect on the time, our things might burn and we might also burn. So it is very important, gas leak or any smoke to detect. Okay, so how we can make it? One sensor will be there, it will be detecting. Only sensor is there which will detect. Is it enough? Yes, only sensor is there which will detect. Is it enough, or something else also is required? Yes, only sensor is there means it will understand there is smoke. It will not give alert. Okay. So if we have to make your sensors smarter, we have to write one program. You have to do which will do the necessary things. Like for example, if smoke is detected, what you can do? Okay. You can if the system is very smart, automatically it will on the extinguisher, and it will minimize the fire. Or if it is not so smart, it will can give a alarm. Okay, these days in India and whatever we are using, it will give max alarm. Okay, or it will give the message that is there is a smoke or a gas at your home. Okay, there is a gas leak, then immediately the person can take the action. Okay, so these are the four things how we can use IoT at home. Okay, for example they have given. So for home automation, how we can use IoT? We can use it for smart lighting. Okay, smart appliances. Okay, third one is intrusion detection. And what is fourth one? Yes, what is fourth one? It is for gas or smoke detection. Okay, so in smart lighting, you can make your light on and off automatically, or you can use ambient conditions. Based on ambient condition, it will see how much light is there. Okay, so and sometimes it will maybe it is your sleeping time. Okay, instead of switching off light completely, it can dim the light. It can reduce the intensity of light. So like this, your lights can become smart. In smart appliances, also you can use IoT, that is in refrigerator, TV, music system, etc. See, there is one diagram here. They are showing how application of IoT for homes. So smart lighting is there. That is, you are making your light smart. Smart appliances are there like TV, refrigerator, and all. And also smoke and fire detector is there. And here one smart thermostat is there. Can anyone tell what thermostat does? Why we use thermostat? Yes, why thermostat is used? It is to regulate the temperature. It is like your AC. Okay, thermostat is nothing but like your AC. Now current AC, how you have? You will only start, you will only stop, or how much temperature you want, you will only set. But if it is your AC smart, it will only on when it is very hot, and or it will adjust its temperature according to the condition, and according it will be so smart that it will understand which temperature you like. How it will learn? Via AI. It will see 1 or 2 days when which temperature you are setting. Then from third day it will understand. So this much it is hot outside means this person likes this much temperature. So based on that he will do. So any doubts in how IoT is used in home automation? Yes. So we'll just see a video and end the class about these things. Okay. That is how IoT is used in home automation.